Was it September? Yeah, that was a September to remember. As you can see, the bottle, I had to go 21 rounds, just about. This is where it all happens. Try number 2. Oh. So it is almost midnight. Got a couple of empties to share. Very short list, by the way. Yep, just like, was it September? Yeah, that was a September to remember. Welcome to today's day of Vlogmas, another day. So, since the list is short, let's go over that, and then I'll show you guys how I prepare my empties for proper recycling. Without further ado, I will not hold you any longer. So these are the only items that are my empties from November. Really. By the way, this one, I've been emptied out months ago. I just didn't count it as an empty until I counted the other one I emptied out of this exact black cherry Merlot. Little pocket hand sanitizers, you know. Yeah. Let's have a quick chat. Bought this from the semi-annual sale. This is black cherry Merlot. This smells like those cartons of Welch's grape juice in a particular flavor. Smells like it. Now I expect to empty out the Summer's Eve nighttime cleansing wash. I tend to empty those out monthly. So I've grown to almost always expect that. Shea Moisture. There was about this much left in it before I decided to just empty it. There wasn't enough for me to just have a whole shower routine with it. I think I might have used the last of this as a, I guess, hand wash or something like that. It smells incredible. We have here Into the Night. This is the moisturizing body wash. As you can see, the bottle, I had to go 21 rounds, just about. Like going 21 rounds with Mike Tyson to get the rest of this out. Semi-annual sale too. Still can smell a bit of it, and that gives you a little preview there of its texture, consistency, and color. Creamy and fragrant. And I finally emptied out this. Now this is the only one I think I feel really kind of sad that I only got one bottle of. Got the honey wash from Victoria's Secret Pink, the pink lime, and I was kind of sad using it all, but I used the rest of it, and which means next time I just have to buy like 3 bottles. So since this list is short of empties, this is where it all happens. Now, when I get close to emptying out a product, and as you can see, that Caress Cocoa Butter and Oat Milk is close. I thought I was going to empty that out last month in November. Did not. It is not yet its time. I'm going to show you guys what takes place. So what I start doing when a product starts getting really, really low like this, I start facing it upside down within my shower caddy here. So I start facing the bottle depending on the design to make sure the product goes down facing towards the nozzle where it comes out. And as I'm using it, I use it up and use it up. And when I'm on the last part of whatever product this is, this just happens to be it, I proceed with rinsing it out and using the rest of the product on myself until it's gone. And I rinse it out, and I even put it in this position empty. So once this is emptied, if it'll stay up, once this is emptied, then I face it like this to make sure any other additional soap that I couldn't get out with several rounds of rinsing, I face it like this so that way all the rest of the product can drip out, and it drips out below here. Tag on the outside. Right after I got it tucked real nice. Where you do that? You guys can't see it, but there's a spot. Can't use that. Try number 2. Like it's crooked, it is bothering me. Woo! Got it. So I have some red bows I was thinking about. Accessorize here and here around the windows. Trying to make sure that this is even. I don't want it to be crooked. I think we're going to call it a night.